Day everyone. So today I will be discussing presentation skills. Why presentation skills matter to us? Presentation skills is crucial for effective communication in personal, academic, and professional settings. And number two, impacts audience engage and retention. Here are the key elements of a great presentation, starting in content, clear structure, introduction, body, and conclusion, relevance, engaging information. And by delivering your presentation, it must be confident, clarity, and enthusiasm. And visual aids, well-designed slides, charts, or image that support your message. Slide is organizing your presentation. Introduction, beginning with a hook or interesting question, and provide an overview of what will be covered. In body naman is present ideas in a logical, easy to follow order and use stories, facts, and examples. In conclusion, summarize your points and with a memorable closing statement or a call to action. Slide. Effective communication skills. Number one is clarity. Speak slowly and clearly and avoid jargon and technical terms. Engagement. Make eye contact with your audience and ask questions to involve the audience. And pacing. Maintain a steady pace, slow down to your key points. And lastly, tone and voice. Use baritone to emphasize points and be loud enough to hear but not too loud. Verbal communication naman is your body language. Stand tall and use purposeful gesture. In facial expression naman, smile to show confidence and express emotion that match your message. Next slide is using visual aids. Number one is keep it simple. Use bullet points or short phrases only. Second one is use high quality image to ensure visuals are clear and relevant. Last one is charts or graphs. Use visual to explain trends or comparisons. Managing nervousness. Number one is presentation. Know your material inside and out. Second one is breathing techniques. Use deep breathing exercises to calm your nerves. Lastly, positive visualization. Image yourself by delivering a great presentation. The next one is engaging the audience. Number one is ask questions. Encourage participants to maintain interest. And second is tell your stories, personal stories, make your message relatable. And last one is interactive elements. Use polls or quizzes to keep your audience involved. Conclusion, recap. Number one is recap. Key elements of successful presentation is content, delivery, and engagement. Number two is final tips. Practice your essential to improvement. And the last one is Q&A. Open the floor for questions and feedback. Thank you for listening and have a good day, everyone.